Dear students, let us study the fifth step of agricultural practices, that is protection from weeds. See, after sowing, we have provided manure and irrigation done for the field. So this helps in growing the crops. Crops are desired plants, means we want those plants. These are the wanted plants. But with these crops, there may be a chances of growing unwanted plants. Unwanted plants means which is not desired, not required. So these undesirable plants are called weeds, or unwanted plants are called weeds. So these weeds will grow naturally with the crops. So as seeds of these weeds may spread through the air and fallen on the field. So we have to remove the unwanted plants from the field. The process of removal of weeds is called weeding. Means the process of removing the weed from the field is called weeding. See, why we have to remove the weeds? Because it will compete with the croplands for necessary things like water, nutrients, space and sunlight. So weeds will affect the growth of croplands. Sometimes weeds will interfere with the crops and it may be poisonous. Let us take one example. At your home, when you take a coriander leaves or some other leaves for cooking, see, some grass will be there along with the leaves. You will remove it before cooking. So, grass is an unwanted plant which will interfere with the coriander leaves, which may be harmful to us. That's why we have to remove the grass. We have to check the leaves properly whether the weed interfered in it or not. Then only we have to go for cooking. So, how to remove these weeds? Before sowing the crops, the tilling helps in uprooting the weeds. As we learned that in the preparation of soil, we used to do tilling. So at this time only some of the weeds can be removed, which can be uprooted. So these weeds will dry up and mix with the soil. Even after sowing also weeds may grow. So the best time to remove the weeds before they produce flowers and seeds, because it requires more nutrition and water for this process. So it absorbs more nutrition and water for it. So it may lead to a shortage for the crop. Let us see what are the tools used for weeding. We can do it manually by uprooting the weeds. Means we can do it with our hands only. We can pull the weeds from the field. Some of the tools also useful in taking out the weeds from the field. That is kurfi. Kurfi is also used to remove the weeds. Even seed drill machine is also used to remove the weeds. See, some of the chemicals also used to remove the weeds. A chemical which are used to kill the weeds are called weedicide. Weedicide means it is a chemical which are used to kill the weeds are called weedicide. For example, 2,4-D. 2,4-D means 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. So this is a weedicide which are diluted with the water and sprayed in the field to kill the weeds. Say, they do not damage the crop. But while spraying, a farmer should cover their nose and mouth by cloth because it may affect his health. Thank you.